Everything you need to know for APCSA Unit 8, 2D array, starting now. A 2D array is an array of arrays that can hold either primitive or object reference data. These are created similarly to creating a 1D array, but this time we need another pair of square brackets. The first number indicates the number of rows, and the second number is for the number of columns. Once the rows and columns are determined, its size cannot be changed, and all of its elements are initialized to the default value for the array type. Accessing elements in a 2D array is also comparable to a 1D array. If we want to access a row in the 2D array, we can use square brackets and a valid row index ranging from 0 up to the 2D array's length minus 1. If we want to access a specific element in the 2D array, we need to use two valid indices, each within their own square brackets. A valid column index ranges from 0 up to the length of a row of the 2D array minus 1. As always, if we use an index outside of these ranges, we'll throw an out-of-bounds exception. When creating a 2D array initializer list, make sure that you use braces and that the number of rows and columns are consistent throughout the array. Keep in mind that all of a 2D array's characteristics still apply. Nested loops are typically used to traverse a sequence of elements in a 2D array. We can traverse in row major order, where elements are traversed across each row, or in column major order, where elements are traversed down each column. If you're going to use an index loop, watch out for off by one errors. If you want to use a nested enhanced for loop, the traversal only occurs in row major order, as the outer loop will go through the rows first. This means that in the outer loop's header, we need to add a pair of square brackets after the array's type to signify that we're accessing each row, which is essentially a 1D array. The inner loop will then traverse each element in the given 1D array. Note that assigning a new value to the enhanced for loop variable will not change the actual value in the array.